Mabuhay ka mataral! I am Sir Mandy and welcome to my mathematics class. Are you ready to learn? Okay, let's go!
Ang topic natin ngayon ay tungkol sa arithmetic sequence and arithmetic means. Ito ang mga objectives natin sa araw na ito. Number 1, define arithmetic sequence and arithmetic mean. And then, find the common difference of a given arithmetic sequence. Third, find the nth term of a given arithmetic sequence. Fourth, find the arithmetic means between two terms of a given arithmetic sequence. And number 5, solve problems involving arithmetic sequence. I-define muna natin kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng arithmetic sequence. Sabi rito, an arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which a constant is added to the previous term to get the next term. The constant is called the common difference denoted by D. Para mas maintindihan natin ang ibig sabihin ng arithmetic sequence, kuha tayo ng isang example. Dito, ang 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 ay isang halimbawa ng arithmetic sequence. Dahil kung kukunin natin ang difference ng magkasunod na term, let's say 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, 6 minus 4 equals 2, and 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Kung makikita natin, pare-pareho ang difference nito. Kaya meron siyang common difference at yan ay equal sa 2. Another example, ang negative 5, negative 1, 3, 7, 11 ay isa ring halimbawa ng arithmetic sequence. Dahil kapag kinuha natin ang difference ng magkakasunod na term, let's say negative 1 minus negative 5, that is equal to 4. 3 minus negative 1 equals 4. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Makikita natin na siya ay may common difference na equal sa 4. Isa pang halimbawa, ang 14, 8, 2, negative 4, negative 10 ay isang halimbawa rin ng arithmetic sequence. Kapag kinuha natin ang difference ng bawat term, we have 8 minus 14 equals negative 6, 2 minus 8 equals negative 6, negative 4 minus 2 equals negative 6. Makikita natin na meron silang common difference at yan ay equal sa negative 6. Okay, practice tayo. Tell me if the sequence is an arithmetic sequence or not. If it is arithmetic sequence, give its common difference. Ready? Let's say 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Okay. So, check natin yung common difference nila. 8 minus 10, that is equal to negative 2. 6 minus 8, that is negative 2. 4 minus 6 is still negative 2. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. So therefore, dahil pare-pareho ang kanilang difference, siya ay isang arithmetic sequence na may common difference of negative 2. You ready for the second example? Negative 3, negative 2, 0, 3, 7. Go. Alright, let us find the difference between negative 2 and negative 3. So, negative 2 minus negative 3 equals 1. 0 minus negative 2 equals 2. 3 minus 0 equals 3. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Dahil hindi pare-pareho ang difference ng bawat term, hindi siya matatawag na arithmetic sequence. Next, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. Go! Okay, check natin. Let us find the difference between 7 and 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. 10 minus 7 is 3. 13 minus 10 is also 3. 16 minus 13 is also 3. So, therefore, ito ay isang arithmetic sequence na may common difference of 3. Very good. Okay, next. Negative 1, negative 6, negative 11, negative 16, and negative 21. Start. Okay, sige, check natin. Let us have negative 6 minus negative 1 equals negative 5. Negative 11 minus negative 6, still negative 5. Negative 16 minus negative 11, still negative 5. And negative 21 minus negative 16 is also equal to negative 5. At dahil pare-pareho ang kanilang difference, so ito ay isang arithmetic sequence na may common difference of negative 5. Let us have another one. 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Start. Okay, check natin. So let us have the difference between 2 and 1. 2 minus 1, that is 1. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. And 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. So obviously, wala siyang common difference. Kaya ito ay hindi matatawag na arithmetic sequence. Okay, next. 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. Start. Okay, so check natin. So let us have 1.5 minus 1, that is 0.5. 2 minus 1.5, that is 0.5. 2.5 minus 2, that is still 0.5. And 3 minus 2.5 is still 0.5. So, dahil pare-pareho ang kanilang difference, so ito ay isang arithmetic sequence na may common difference of 0.5. Ngayon naman, sa pagkuha ng nth term ng isang arithmetic sequence, ito ang formulang gagamitin natin. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Kung saan, ang a sub n represent the nth term, a sub 1 equals the first term, d is our common difference, and n is the number of terms meron ng isang arithmetic sequence. Let us have this example. Find the 12th term of the sequence 15, 25, 35, and 45. So, dito hahanapin natin ang panlabing dalawang term ng given sequence. Okay, so from the problem, ang unang term natin o a sub 1 equals 15. Tapos ang ating common difference, yung difference between 25 and 15, that is equal to 10. At yung n natin is 12. Using all the given information, a sub 1 equals 15, d equals 10, n equals 12. Applying the formula, we have a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1d. So, dito, sa a sub 1, papalitan natin ng 15, si d, papalitan natin ng 10, at si n, papalitan natin ng 12. So, we have a sub 12 equals 15 plus the quantity of 12 minus 1 times 10. Then, simplify natin yung 12 minus 1. So, we have now 15 plus 11 times 10. So, So 11 times 10, that is equal to 110. Next, a sub 12 is equal to 15 plus 110. And then simplify ulit. So we have a sub 12 is equal to 125. And that will be our final answer. So lumalabas, yung panlabing dalawang term natin dito sa given sequence ay 125. Okay, next example. Find the 15th term of the sequence 30, 26, 22, 18, and so on. Okay, so from the problem, ang ating a sub 1 is 30. Then yung ating common difference is 26 minus 30, and that is equal to negative 4. And then yung ating n is 15. So using all the given information, a sub 1 is equal to 30, d is equal to negative 4, and n is equal to 15. Applying the formula, we have a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1d. So dito, si a sub 1 gagawin nating 30, si d magiging negative 4, at ang n natin will be replaced by 15. So now we have a sub 15 equals 30 plus the quantity of 15 minus 1 times negative of 4. And 15 minus 1 is equal to 14. So we have a sub 15 is equal to 30 plus 14 times negative 4. And 14 times negative 4 will give us negative 56. So we have now a sub 15 equals 30 plus negative 56. And that is equal to negative 26. And that will be our final answer. So the 15th term o yung panlabinlimang term ng given sequence natin ay equal sa negative 26. Let us have this example. In an arithmetic sequence, 5, 9, 13, 17, and so on, which term is 401? Dito sa problem na ito, ang hinahanap natin ay pang ilang term si 401 sa given arithmetic sequence. Base sa problem, ang unang term natin ay 5. Ang ating common difference ay 9 minus 5, and that is equal to 4. At ang ating huling term o yung tinatawag nating nth term ay 401. Now let us solve for n. Using the formula a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1d, given that a sub 1 is equal to 5, d is equal to 4, and a sub n equals 401. So dito si a sub 1 papalitan ng 5, si d papalitan ng 4, at si a sub n papalitan ng 401. Kaya we have 401 equals 5 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times 4. And then let us distribute 4 sa loob ng parenthesis. So we have now 401 equals 5 plus 4 times n, that is 4n, and 4 times negative 1, that is minus 4. Now let us combine similar terms. 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. So we have 401 equals 1 plus 4n. And then let us transpose positive 1 to the left side of the equation. So we have 401 minus 1 equals 4n. Now subtract natin 401 minus 1. That is equal to 400 equals 4n. And then let us divide both sides by 4. So cancel na si 4. Then 400 divided by 4, that is 100 equals n. And that will be our final answer. Ibig sabihin, si 401 ay pang 100 term nung given arithmetic sequence natin. Now let us take this example. A conference hall has 33 rows of seats. The last row contains 80 seats. If each row has 2 fewer seats than the row behind it, how many seats are there in the first row? Dito sa problem, kung i-analyze natin, meron daw 33 rows ng mga upuan. At ang huling row ay mayroong 18 na upuan kung saan sa bawat row ay nadadagdagan ng dalawa sa likuran nito. Ang hahanapin natin dito ay kung ilang upuan ang nasa unahan. Base sa problem, ang n natin is equal to 33. Ito yung bilang ng row ng mga upuan. A sub 33 is equal to 80. Ito yung total number ng seats doon sa last row. Then D is equal to 2 dahil nga nadadagdagan ng dalawa ang upuan sa likuran nito. So ang hinahanap natin dito ay A sub 1. To solve the problem, una, let us write all the given. Those are n equals 33, a sub 33 equals 80, d equals 2, and a sub 1 is what we are looking for. Next, using the formula, we have a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Then, by substitution, so si a sub n papalitan natin ng 80, si n papalitan ng 33, at si d ay papalitan natin ng 2. So, we have 80 equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of 33 minus 1 times 2. And 33 minus 1 is equal to 32. Now, after simplifying the parentheses, we have now 80 equals a sub 1 plus 32 times 2. And then let us multiply 32 and 2. So we have 80 equals a sub 1 plus 64. And then, by transposition method, lipat si 64 doon sa left side ng equality. So we have now 80 minus 64 equals a sub 1. Then by subtraction, that is 80 minus 64, and that is equal to 16. So we have 16 equals a sub 1. Therefore, our final answer is a sub 1 equals 16. Meaning, there are 16 seats in the first row. So meron 16 na upuan sa unang row. Next, let us take this example. Find the arithmetic mean between 15 and 17. So, ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng arithmetic mean? Sabi rito, arithmetic means are the terms between the first term and the last term in a given arithmetic sequence. So, ibig sabihin, pag kinukuha natin yung arithmetic means, ito yung mga terms sa pagitan ng unang term at ng huling term sa isang arithmetic sequence. Para makuha natin yung arithmetic mean between 15 and 17, ilistan natin yung bawat terms ng ating arithmetic sequence. And then, dito, ang ating a sub 1 ay 15. Yung ating arithmetic mean ang magiging a sub 2. At yung 17 ang ating a sub 3. Given a sub 1 is 15 and a sub 3 equals 17, so to find the arithmetic mean, we will use this formula, am equals a sub 1 plus a sub 3 all over 2. Itong formulang ito ay gagamitin lang natin kapag isang arithmetic mean ang hinahanap natin sa pagitan ng dalawang terms ng arithmetic sequence. So, using this formula by substitution, we have 15 plus 17 divided by 2. And then, 15 plus 17 is equal to 32 divided by 2. And that is equal to 16. So 16 is the arithmetic mean between 15 and 17. Okay, next. Insert 4 arithmetic means between 9 and 29. Ang ibig sabihin, tayo ay maglalagay ng 4 na terms sa pagitan ng 4 and 9 para siya ay maging isang arithmetic sequence. Para gawin ito, isulat natin ang ating mga terms sa ganitong paraan. 9, tapos 4 na blanco, and then 29. Tandaan natin, ang 9 natin ang ating a sub 1, at ang 4 na blanco ay a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, a sub 5. Then, ang 29 ang ating a sub 6. Then, para malagyan natin ang 4 na terms sa pagitan ng 9 and 29, dapat alamin natin kung ano ang common difference ng ating arithmetic sequence. Given that a sub 1 equals 9 and a sub 6 equals 29, gamitin natin yung formula kanina na a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1d. Tandaan, para makuha ang a sub 6, yan ay equal sa a sub 1 plus the quantity of 6 minus 1d. To simplify, that is equal to a sub 6 equals a sub 1 plus 5d. Now, using a sub 6 equals a sub 1 plus 5d, palitan natin sa a sub 6 ng 29 at sa a sub 1 ng 9. So, ito ay magiging 29 equals 9 plus 5d. And then, transpose natin sa 29 doon sa left side ng equality. Kaya ito ay magiging 29 minus 9 equals 5d. Now, 29 minus 9 equals 5d is equal to 20 equals 5d. Tapos, let us divide both sides by 5. So, cancel out na si 5 dito. And 20 divided by 5, that is equal to 4. So, yung ating common difference this time is equal to 4. And since our d is equal to 4, balik tayo sa ating sequence kanina. So, to find the second term, mag-add lang tayo ng 4 sa 9. Kaya ang a sub 2 natin equals 9 plus 4, and that is equal to 13. Ngayon, para makuha yung susunod na term natin, dagdag lang ulit tayo ng 4 sa 13. And that is equal to 17. Ayan. And then, dagdag lang tayo ng 4 sa 17 naman. So, we have 21. Then, ganun din. Plus 4 ulit sa 21. So, we have 25. So, ito yung ating arithmetic means between 9 and 29. Those are 13, 17, 21, and 25.
That's all for today. So bago ako magtapos, lagi nating tandaan, mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computations, or algorithms. It is about understanding. At bago magpaalam, huwag pong kalimutang i-like and share ang aking video lesson at please subscribe na rin po sa aking YouTube channel, Kamat Aral TV, for more video lesson to come. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig. Hanggang sa muli, Kamataral, paalam!